Hi, my name is Mitchell Hankoko. I welcome you to Soft Mari Web Development Step-by-Step Interactive Learning Hands-on Experience YouTube channel. On this channel, the subject of study will be web development. This is the channel where we're going to teach you on how to start writing a website. Most of the questions to the beginners and to the people who have no idea of how to write a website, the first question that they ask is how to start writing a website. Well, this journey of web development is going to answer that question, and it is for this reason the goal of this YouTube channel is to provide a step-by-step easy hands-on training with clear video from beginner to advanced level. The idea is to provide the flexible platform that is accessible by everyone who do not have the opportunity to attend classes, to attend physical classes, and for those individuals who are very busy but they don't have the opportunity to sit in class. This channel is going to provide you with the platform and everything that you need to understand. It will provide you with the understanding of web development and become an expert in website development. It will teach you about the tools that are used to develop the website, what you need to have to start writing the website, and thereafter we are going to understand about how to write the HTML, JavaScript, CSS, PHP, and database. All these subtopics will be looked into details. How to start writing a website, we're going to look at it into details. The tools that you use to write the website, how to install, and how to use them. HTML, which is hypertext markup language, we're going to look at the detailed understanding of HTML element. HTML is the heart of website development, so it is the starting point. We're going to give you an understanding how to write HTML. We're going to use JavaScript for validation purposes. We're going to understand how to write JavaScript in detail. Then you are going to look at CSS, which is basically used to beautify the website. For you to design that desired website that is so attractive, you need to understand about CSS. PHP, for the user request to be able to be processed into the database and to get the feedback that they need from the website. Everyone need to understand PHP. Everyone who learns website development need to understand PHP, as it is used to process the user input to the database and from the database, and provide the required feedback to the user. For the database, we're going to learn about the database and the general features that are found in the database panel, so that at the end of this video, everyone will be able to get the right tools to develop the website and deploy the website on the live environment. In addition to that, we are also going to learn about how to secure our website. In this journey of web development, a hands-on training outline, basically it will cover a lot of stuff: HTML, structure, CSS, validation, working with the database, PHP, and security features. These are the key important things that each and every developer need to understand. This tutorial, it will help each and everyone. The idea is to help everyone who don't have the opportunity to learn about web development. Please share this video and like it to all your brothers, sisters, or those who want to learn about web development. Stay tuned and enjoy your day.